ingredient. Tell me.
First ingredient is shaving cream.
Perfect. Here we go.
Perfect. That's all.
Then we need more. We need more here. And what are we making?
Slime.
What kind of slime is this one?
I forgot.
It's fluffy slime.
Fluffy
Okay, that's enough.
Perfect.
Then
Now-
we need, what else do we need?
The coloring.
The coloring. What color are we doing?
Blue. Where's blue? Where's the blue? Is this blue?
Is it blue?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me see. You just have to see like color. No, it's purple.
No, it's blue. Okay. Are we making light blue?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're mixing it so it could be light blue, and then we're gonna add the ingredient, the really important ingredient, and then we're gonna use this ingredient, and then we're gonna use
So the next thing I believe you put in there is glue.
and then
So we have the shaving cream, we did the food coloring, we're doing light blue, so we just put one drop.
one little drop.
Okay.
Keep mixing. Keep mixing. Oh, so good. Okay, Mama.
Okay, now we add our glue in there.
Add glue. Wait, that can't go on the table. Add glue. Put the glue. Can't open up.
Can't get it? Did you get it?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Put it all in.
Exactly. All of it goes in, the whole bottle.
The whole bottle. Keep going. Okay. Oh, that's the wrong. What?
Okay, don't get it all over the place.
Okay, that's good.
Okay.
Perfect. What is next? Now we have to mix.
Now we need a mix.
So I'm using
A half a teaspoon.
I have a teaspoon of baking soda,
Good job.
and I'm gonna do it nice and smooth, and put it in, and one more cup.
No, all you need to do now is put the contact solution.
Contact solution.
And we're going to use, that's 1 tablespoon.
So I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon of it. So first, perfect.
Go ahead and fill it up. Fill it to the top. All the way. You got it? Want me to hold it for you?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Perfect.
So that's one.
Keep going. We want it to the top.
That's to the top.
A little bit more. Okay, that's good.
Woo. Okay.
Okay, take that.
Give me the bowl.
All right.
Scoop.
One of that, and then now,
And that scoop.
then all you got to do now is mix. That's it.
Perfect. Now we'll start to mix. It's turning into slimy.
action.
So I'm mixing it right now. It's turned into slime. So now we're gonna, after we are mixing it, we're gonna make it fluffed, and then we're gonna play with it.
Put your hands in there now. Let's see.
Okay, now let's take the bowl.
You might need to use a spoon and try to get it out. Or do that. Whoa.
Get this out.
Oh, it's like alive or something.
I need a spoon. Get this out. Look. And I'm gonna make a bubble. So I'm gonna make a bubble, guys. So ready? Go. Ah. And look at the slime. I get to do this stuff. And look what this noise does. Look. Ah! It's coming out my hands. That's you.
Gosh.
Mommy, take it off. Take this off.
It's the blob.
It's so stretchy and nice. And look how it does. It's like so interesting because you get to do this sound. Whoa! So cool. And I like the slime because it's so stretchy, nice, and so fluffy. And it's so fluffy and nice. And gooey and won't come off my hands. And thank you guys for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you guys next time. And comment down below and I'll see you on the next video.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah, look at that.